Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can create an aesthetic video on CapCut PC. So go to filters, and I'm just going to add this filter on the video. You can choose from these like filters, but this one suits the video the best. You can also adjust the strength of the filter here. And then what you're going to want to do next is you're going to go to stickers, and you are going to go to frame, which is right here, and you're going to select from these frames. There's a lot to choose from, but I'm just going to choose this one because this one kind of suits with the video. Or you can choose this one too. This one's pretty cute. There's also this one. There's a lot of like frames that you can choose from. There's also this one. It's kind of moving, but you have to like adjust it a little bit. So let me just try this one, and let's see, like so, and make sure you adjust it till the end of the video. And that's pretty much it. You can just play around with the stickers. You can even add some effects if you'd like. Filters here, adjustments. You can adjust your video to, for instance, you want a little bit more on the pink side. You can do that with temperature, and also you can adjust the saturation here if you'd like. Also lightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, light sense. You can make the video a little bit sharper, like so. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!